don't see them. I don't know if the girl is selling them out. Maybe I gotta get them the day the collection drops, but hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Adrian Renee. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are doing a collective haul, so I'm gonna show y'all all the things that I bought within the last couple months that I probably shouldn't have, but I did anyway. So if you're interested in seeing them, stay tuned. Alrighty y'all, so I'm gonna start off with my bigger purchases, and then as we go throughout the video, I'll end with my smaller purchases. And if you see me looking on the side, it's because I got my notes here. I want to give y'all all the tea. Now, our first item is the Chanel mesh suede calfskin sneakers in black and white. This is my first ever Chanel item that I've ever purchased. Funny story, I did not intend on purchasing this at all. I was at the mall, at the amusement park, if you ever been to American Dream, and I went into Saks and I actually saw the all white pair and I was like, oh, these are cute. But when he brought these out, I was like, oh baby. So they have white leather as well as suede leather, and the CC logo is in a, I think the CC logo is also suede, and it has rubber soles. And honestly, my favorite thing about these sneakers is that detailing. So obviously the CC is what makes the freaking sneakers. It also has CC here, and then you see CC on the bottom as well, and then Chanel written on the front. And honestly, I'm really big on athletic wear. Like, I like being comfortable more than anything, so athletic luxury is like right like in my bag. Like, this is what I love. And honestly, these are super comfortable. They are black and white, so I can wear these with so many things. That's literally half of my closet, black and white. And I figured because the springtime is coming up, I would need a lightweight pair of sneakers. And these are really cute. Like, the different fabrics, like the mesh and the suede, really make it so that you can dress them up or dress them down. And that's what I really love about them. I got these in a 37.5, so they are true to size. I am usually a 37.5, and they both have these cute dust bags that they come in. So honestly, I really love these. Like, one thing about me, like, I hate spending money on items full price, but you can't find like brand new Chanel sneakers discounted anywhere unless you get them pre-loved. And honestly, when it comes to shoes, like, I'm a little bit picky when it comes to getting them pre-loved because somebody else's feet been in there, so I try not to get pre-loved shoes. But anyway, I love them. I love them. I love them. I can't wait to style these, y'all. Like, I'm in love. They was worth every penny. Okay, for this next item, if you watched, I think 2 or 3 vlogs ago, y'all saw that I unboxed my new Goyard bag. This is the Goyard St. Louis GM in black. It does have the Goyardine fabric. I really, obviously, like, this bag is a staple. So if y'all watched that same vlog, y'all know I said that I was starting a new job, and I felt like this was the ultimate like corporate baddie. Like, when you go into New York and you see all the corporate girlies, this is the bag we carrying, okay? Honestly, this bag is so big. Like, I'm tiny. Like, I'm 5'1", and I was kind of scared. I thought this bag would like maybe eat me up. Like, it would look too huge on my arm, but honestly, I got used to it. The size is humongous. Like, you can literally fit your whole, y'all hear that? Y'all can literally fit your whole life in this bag, but don't. This bag, as you can see, like, it's very, I won't say the word flimsy, but it's very like loose. Like, it's not structured. It is very light, so it's only really meant to hold light things. So although we be putting our heavy stuff in here, you're not supposed to, because that brings a lot of wear and tear on the straps. I've seen, like, when I was doing research to get this bag, the biggest thing I saw was people saying that the straps did not last. So I think that I'm actually gonna also get an alternative work bag, so I'm not carrying this every day, because I don't think this is a bag that's meant to be carried every day, especially given the price point. Just a little bit of background about this bag. It was actually meant to be a beach bag, so that can just kind of put in context really how much stuff you're supposed to have in this bag. And this bag is reversible. It does have this linen fabric, but honestly, I don't ever see myself wearing it this way at all. It does come with a pouch. I took the pouch off because honestly, I don't think it has like an attachment. I took the pouch off because I personally knew I wasn't gonna really use the pouch, and I don't like it just hanging on the bag all the time. For me, I did get a bag insert. I'll actually show y'all real quick so y'all can see it. So I got this bag insert, one, to give it a little bit of shape, and then two, to kind of carry and organize like all the things I have to bring for work so that they wouldn't be like all jumbled up in my bag. If y'all do want to see a what's in my bag, like what's in my work bag, like let me know, comment below, and I will definitely do that for y'all. But anyway, I really love this bag. I feel like it's a really basic bag that I can wear with so many different things. It does have like that white and brown pattern that I really, really love, so it's not all black. And I think this is like a good bag for all year round. Like right now, I've been wearing it like throughout the winter, but I feel like in the summer, this bag will definitely be able to, I'll be able to wear it as well just because of how light it is. So I love it. Okay, my next item was actually a gift. These are the Isabel Marant Black Darlie glasses, and these have been in my Essence wish list for like months, literally. Look at these. Look at them. Do these not like just exude like that girl? Like, first of all, I always wanted a pair of aviators. I have like no aviators at all, and I really, really love black sunglasses. So I'm gonna try them on so y'all can see them. So y'all get the effect up. Are these not giving like Hollywood, like very much like don't talk to me, very much like when I wear these, you could tell I'm important. You know what these are? These are club glasses. And if you know that, I'm gonna explain what I mean by that. So I'm definitely one of them girls that be wearing sunglasses in the club so that nobody can see their face. This gives very much I'm in a club. Yeah. These are so freaking cute. Like, and I have a small face. I think sometimes like some of the glasses I have, like for example, y'all remember those big Dior sunglasses that everyone was wearing? I bought those when they were trending, and that's another thing. Buying things when they're trending is like always a bad idea because eventually they will stop trending and something in your brain is going to tell you to stop liking them. So I stopped buying things that are trending, and I just started buying things that I genuinely like, and like really like not just seeing something and being like ooh, like really thinking about the purchase, going to try it on, see how it would look on me. So definitely this year, girls, we are shopping smarter. But anyway, yeah, so these fit my face so well. They're not too big, they're not too overpowering. Like, what? These are so cute. And the thing about these is they're still kind of casual, like they're not too dressy. So I can wear this on like on a chill day when I really don't feel like stunting on y'all, but I'm stunting on y'all. Or I could wear it like, again, when I'm dressing up, I'm going to the club, I don't want my eyes to be seen, don't look at me, just throw these glasses on. I'll just show y'all up close. They have Isabel Marant written on the side. And then this is how they look from the front. And then they also have like Isabel Marant like written in inside as well. I love these. I love these. Alrighty, so next we got some Zara items. Honestly, I didn't get too much from Zara. Like, there's been so many cute things that I've seen in this new season. But when I go into my Zara, I don't see them. I don't know if the girlies are selling them out. Maybe I gotta get them the day the collection drops, but I never see them. So first we have this Zara dress with side ruching, and I will try everything on so y'all can see it. You'll probably see me here somewhere. And honestly, I thought this was just a really cute basic dress, and I think the ruching definitely elevates the design. I think this is also a really good dress going from the winter to the spring because it definitely has this thick cotton material, and I really love the length because for me, I can wear this out if I want to go like out to dinner or something like that. I can wear this to work because it still is really modest. I'm short, so this literally goes down to like my ankles. I could wear wear these with sneakers. I can wear these with heels. Like, I really, really love this as a basic. I think that right now my focus with my closet is really making sure that I have basics so that I can put different outfits together. And I can wear this dress with so many things, so many accessories, so many different colors. So it does have a round neck. As y'all can see, it's super stretchy, super soft, and it does fit true to size. This is a size small, and it fits me really, really, really good. Next, I got this sweater top and pants. I don't have a lot of Goyards, but I really, really, really loved the fabric. I hate being cold, so you know, just having like those warm sweater fabrics like this almost feels like a wool fabric is just ideal for me. And then it also has this like tie detailing that I thought would be super cute to tie on the waist. They come with these pants. These pants are a little bit long for me, so I know I'm gonna have to get them tailored. These pants are in a small and the top is in a small as well. But yeah, I think Goyards are like a super easy way to just make an outfit because, you know, we matching. The top matches the bottom, so I don't gotta think too much. Just add some accessories and I go. So I love Goyards because they're super easy to style. And I love how long, long and wide the neck is. I think that's really, really, really cute. I noticed this is a little bit wide, so I'm wondering if maybe when I try it on, it will be giving a little side boob action. So that might be a deal breaker for me, so we'll see. Lastly, I got these straight leg jogger pants, basically just elevated sweatpants. They are very, very casual, and I think that I'd be able to just wear them, you know, around the house or to run errands. But I also think that like the fabric, like, I actually don't know what fabric this is. Yeah, I don't know what fabric this is, unfortunately. But I think the fabric, like, is very smooth. Not like the other sweatpants I have. And then the leg is also a wide leg. So I feel like I could dress this up and wear it with, like, some pumps or some boots and a really cute top. And it would still be a look. I tried these on and they do fit me. This is a small as well. They do fit me. Of course, there's the elastic and the drawstring, but they are a little bit long. I don't know if I want to get sweatpants tailored though, so I'm still debating on whether I want to keep the two pants because they are kind of long on me and I don't feel like getting all my clothes tailored, so it really depends on how much I love them. Alrighty, next I got some items from Asos. These are the River Island chain detail shoe in black. These are very much out of my comfort zone, but I kind of wanted to start dressing in more of a business casual way, especially because I was going into the office a little bit, so I wanted to get some shoes for that. I think that I went on Pinterest, and honestly Pinterest is such a great like cheat code for when you're looking on how to style things, and I literally googled like how to style these shoes and it came up with so many things. So I can't wait to actually play around and style these because I've seen so many cute outfits and this chunky chain detail really makes these stand out. Like, I feel like if it was just the loafer, I would have been like, ugh, these is ugly, send them back. But this chain detail I think really elevates these shoes, makes them super cute. And I love gold. I know I said this tens and thousands of times on my channel that I am a gold girl. So yeah. So this does have that slip-on style. You can just put it on, the chain detail, and then it has like a little bit of a slight heel and a flat sole. I haven't worn these yet, so I don't know how comfortable these are, but when I do, I will let y'all know if y'all interested in purchasing these. Oh, and they are true to size. I got these in a UK 5. A UK 5. I think that's right, because I'm a US 7. And I think UK 5 is like 2 down. I think that's right. I'm not sure, but these did fit when I tried them on. So okay, next we have these sock boots from Asos. As you can see, I definitely have worn them already. And honestly, I thought these were a really cute basic boot for the winter and the fall to be able to dress up and go to work in. But these hurt my feet. Like, for some reason when I wear them and I'm walking, it kind of feels like my feet are like sliding to the top almost, and like they really like irritate my big toe. These are wide fit, so I don't know if maybe that has something to do with it, because my feet are not wide. I really wanted them though, so I was like, let me just get them anyway. And these are my size. These are in a UK 5 as well, so I think that they might not be comfortable just because I did buy them in that wide fit. So they are a square toe shoe. I think square toe shoes are really, really cute. I love that design. And they have a zipper in the back. They're very easy to take on and put off. I would definitely love, like, maybe not this exact shoe because I just said they made my feet hurt, but I would definitely love like a long knee-high version of these. I think Asos had them and I want to buy another pair. But yeah, they're cute, like a nice little basic boot. But I'm really disappointed that unfortunately they're not as comfortable. But I'll definitely wear these again because I think that they look really cute with the outfits that I paired them with. So okay, lastly we have these chunky knee-high rain boots from Asos. So I didn't even realize that like I didn't have any rain boots until like I started actually going to work, and I was like, ugh, I gotta go outside, it's raining, I don't have any rain boots. So I got these, and first of all, the chunky sole is really what got me. Although this is like a really basic rain boot, like look at that chunky sole. I think the chunky sole is so cute. Obviously, as y'all can see, this has been worn a little bit already. Comfort level, I wouldn't say they're as uncomfortable as the sock boot, but they're not like the most comfortable. They're bearable though. I can wear them the whole day. They don't make my feet hurt. They're just not like probably the ideal, and that could have to do with the fact that the sole is so chunky. And those are true to size as well. I believe I got them in a 5, yes. So all of these shoes that I got from Asos were true to size. Okay, y'all, that is it for my collective haul. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all are interested in seeing more videos like this, please don't forget to like and comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.